Hi guys, today I'm making chocolate chip cookies. And guess what guys? I got this a brand new stand mixer for Christmas and I'm so happy. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna take our butter and we're gonna start whipping this up. Ow, my bad. I'm just not used to these type of things. And I will first beat this up. So now I'm going to add some powdered sugar and brown sugar into this bowl. And I'll add some applesauce. Okay, this is very sticky applesauce. Okay. Now I'll beat this up. Yeah, there you go. I already put in my vanilla extract. I didn't show that in video. But anyways, now I'm gonna put some baking soda and baking powder. And I'll add some flour. And last but not least, chocolate chips. There you go. Now let's incorporate this all together. 30 minutes later. Sorry. And this is how it looks. It should look crumbly just like this. If it's too wet, add a little bit of flour and more sugar. If it's too wet, if it's too dry, put a little bit more butter and oil. Now I have my cookie dough ready to come in the oven. I'm gonna use my ice cream scooper and take balls of these and add these in my tray. I'm gonna just press this in the scooper. Why I'm using this is to make them equal. And I'll just add this like that. There you go. And just do the rest of them just like this. Oh, and these make 6 cookies. Okay? So if you have like guests coming, you can always make these recipes. Do more. And cut off any extra dough. And then add it on the tray. I just love chocolate chips. So this is optional, but I'm just gonna put a few on the top. Oh. Yum, yum. There we go. And there. Now we'll put this in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna put this for 6 minutes because I have an air fryer. If you have a regular oven, put it for 12 minutes. This is already preheated, and I'll put this in the oven. Oh, my bad. Now my cookies are ready. I'm going to take them out of the oven. So if you need to put these for more time, and if you like them a different texture, do so and add it for more time or less time, how much ever you want. Okay, let's take a bite. Oh, this is hot. This is hot. Wait, I'm gonna break. Oh, look at that. That's a good cookie. And a hot one too. It's really good.